Today, Sanazami, we turn ilambo kancane ukuthi lithi alibheke thina. I know most of the time we always uma siqhubeka nalezinto zethu ze mental health, we always generally talking about abanye abantu, what people have done to us in our relationships. But today we are asking ukuthi wena, what kind of a parent are you? And abantwana bakho, are you the kind of parent that ingane yakho is able to freely come and talk to if ingane yakho isinenkinga na? Uwe yini lo mzali? Are you the parent that if ingane yakho inenkinga, are you the one of the people that ingane yakho izofuna ukuzokhuluma nayo, or are you one of the people that ingane yakho izofuna ukuyifihlela inkinga le enayo? Those are the questions that we are answering today's Thandwazami. And I think it's because it's the holidays. I felt ukuthi it's an opportunity ukuthi ke sikhulume ngama relationship ethu nabantwana bethu. Ngoba baningi ama parents kwa ama holidays khona bathi yo ingane zami ngiyasindwa zivula nini izikole. Some of them are excited thola ingane zihlala kude. But also mhlambe nazi ingane nabo they are busy scrolling on their phones, or omunye uzikhele ekameleni, or they're not even talking to you as umzali. And I'm saying, you know, let's rechange that relationship. Let it start now. Ukuthi relationship yakho nengane yakho injani. Kungabi ukuthi nje ama holidays ingane yami ngiyazi ukuthi iphasile ithola ama grades amahle athize ama grades. Kungabi ukuthi ngiyamazi lo uyivila, ngiyamazi lo stubborn njalo njalo. But yazi ukuthi ingane yakho in every action, whatever it's doing, it is saying something about that child. Akade nginabo Medilution Wellness Retreat last week. They know very well what I'm talking about. You know, the language that ingane say to us as parents, kodwa singazi. And the truth is this: abantwana bethu won't always tell us into ebahluphayo. Okay. So let us make this holidays, Thandwazami, an opportunity for you to meet umntana wakho, to meet the human behind who your child is, but more so that you not only just help to mold ingane yakho, but also you help to mold the adult azoba iyo. So I'm looking forward to ingxoxo yethu as Thandwazami. One of the things we'll also be talking about is ngiyazi ukuthi sonke as ama parents we want potential einganeni zethu, but most of the time when we talk about potential we speak academics ukuthi uzoba ubani uzokwenza imali engakanani. But what about the potential of emotional potential, the confidence, emotional maturity? How do you do that? How do you help ingane yakho to have that potential? We're going to be talking about that. But also we live in environments and families traumas corner of some kind that are experienced by ingane. Let's talk about them so that ube wazi ngoba sometimes abantu bazitshela ukuthi trauma ukuthi uhlukumezekile umntwana ukuthi sidivorceile nje kuphela or khona oshayiwe, kanti sometimes those are not the only traumas. You know, you might find ukuthi ingane can also be traumatized by you as parents ukuthi selihlukene but when you send a message through ingane ngikhuluma kabi ngoba wayo khuluma kabi ngoma wayo, or you're letting the child keep your secret wena. So all of those are little traumas that I'll be making you alert of, Thandwazami. One of the things ngizodeviate nje kancane ngoba there was a parent who sent me a message kade bonile lapho ku Facebook ukuthi this is the topic engizobe ngikhuluma ngayo, but there's a parent who tagged me na, Dr. Mthembu, I'm HIV positive and I don't know how to tell my children ukuthi ngiyagula. So it's not just about HIV, but I know for any parent, whether une cancer, whether you got diabetes or whatever, it's not so easy to tell umntwana wakho. So today we'll be going through that, Sinasami, and I'll be making you be lalela. There is no perfect parent, but to be the parent or conscious who's aware or present, the present parent, not the perfect parent. So let's take a little break and we'll be right back after this. This winter holiday, give your child a peaceful space to heal. Enroll them in Medilution Wellness Retreat, June and July adolescent intake, from academic pressure and identity struggles to family stress. Our tailored programs provide a safe, structured environment with qualified professionals. Let us be the one your children talk to. Contact Medilution Wellness Retreat today. Holistic healing for the nation. So, as kade sengishilo earlier on, we're talking about the parent that you are today, okay? So let's start again. So part of our signature, I got Dr. Nomcebo Mthembu, of you just reflecting on yourself. Ukuthi wena, what kind of a parent are you? Okay, so mhlambe on your piece of paper, awukuzibheke wena uthatha ilambu manje libheke ngakuwena sithando sami as you as a parent. And mhlambe just take a nice deep breath in and just calm yourself down just a little bit. Maybe even put a hand on your heart. Ngoba manje you want to be genuine with yourself and to be true with yourself. Ungazijudge. Ngoba it's all about growing and learning for yourself. All right. So, ngifisa uzibuze lokhu ke sithando sami. Uma wena as umzali, ne, you as a parent, okay? When your child comes to you in a problem, umntana wakho, what is your first reaction? Okay? Nansi ingane yakho iyaza kuwena in a problem. What is your first reaction? All right? Is your first reaction ukuthi, do you listen? Uyathula nje impela umlalele, okay? Thoroughly ungamdisturb umlalele. Do you panic? All right, if uyambona ukuthi unenkinga umntana wakho usaba wena kuqala ngokuthi unenkinga and igcine suphimisa amagama okusaba more than amagama okuthemba ukuthi umguide, but do you now end up responding out of fear? When ingane yakho ikufonela and you see ukuthi ungifonela mhlambe isemini, it's not the usual time angifonela ngayo, what is your first response when you pick up the phone? Okay, do you say hi Sbanban, hi baby, whatever, what's wrong? Do you say what's wrong, or do you say what's right or what's good? What is the first thing you say as a parent? Ngoba you need to watch your reaction. Ngane yakho iyakufonela, if your first reaction is hi yakunjani, what's wrong? If that's your first reaction, then you're panicking as a parent. So kufanele enze njani ke namanje ngoba wena sumtshelile ukuthi you're expecting something wrong ukuthi uzokutshela yona. Okay? And if esekutshelile umntana wakho, what is then your reaction? What's your first reaction? Do you shout? Ufuna ukumtshela ukuthi hey yabona ke wena uyabheda bungamele uthi kanje. Do you shout at your child? The first response that you do? Okay, do you interrogate kube senkantolo wathini wena wathini rather than just listening and getting their point of view and what they think they should do, what they think was right? Okay, or do you even find yourself blaming ukuthi usuyaqala usuyamblame ukuthi yabona ngakutshela ngalabangani bakho ukuthi nokuthi? Are you blaming even before nje kufika anywhere? What is your reaction kuwena nengane yakho when your child comes to you with the problem? Are you quick to give advice? Are you sometimes comparing? Uthi ke yabona ke wena awufani nodadewenu, you know, onje kanje. You start comparing them to the elder sister, to the elder brother. How do you respond whenever ingane yakho iza kuwena no problem? Ngiyambona ukuthi uMandulo uthi yimi loyo, which one is that? Because I think Senazami, what is very important ukuthi you need to ask yourself this ukuthi ingane yami iza kumina ne problem, is my reaction out of fear? Okay, do I react more out of fear than I react out of ukuthemba ukuthi umntwana kangithemba ukuthi ngizomguide? Or is it more around fear? I-reaction yami ngoba you need to answer that ngoba it doesn't make you a bad parent, okay, but it is also saying something about you ukuthi mhlawumbe if ingane yakho is triggered by something, it triggers wena ngaphakathi, and mhlawumbe that's a normal response ukuthi as a parent awufuni lutho ezohama ingane yakho ezolumaza ingane yakho. But then how do you respond? Does the child know ukuthi the reaction when oyikhiphayo is because you care? This reaction oyikhiphayo is because you're afraid to ukuthi yena ngalimali? Or do they feel judged by you? You know, or do they feel compared by you? Or do they feel like you are blaming them? Or do they feel like you're ashamed of them? Okay, how do you respond enganeni yakho such that le ngane yakho feels what you need them to feel? And I hear many parents say to me, "Ay, mina Dr. Mthembu ingane yami ayikhulumi nami." Yazi nsana sami, by the time ingane yakho ingakhulumi nawe, there has been little subtle suggestions that your child had that you might have dismissed ungekho aware ukuthi kunezinto lapha kade uyakhuluma khona and wena wamshutha up kulezo zinto, and then the child learns to just keep quiet. Okay? mhlawumbe lengane yathi iyakhuluma wena wathi hey avunendaba. Okay, hey ukhuluma kakhulu wena, hey uthanda into zabantu abadala. Noma ingane yathi yafika kuwena ilanga ethi yazi manje ngine stress, wahleka wena wathi hayi wazini wena nge stress uyingane. Okay, what are you training that little brain of the child ukuthi I must keep quiet? And the truth of this, Tanwazam, it's not as if ingane yakho will not go through problems. The child will go through problems. The child will experience problems. But however way wena ubureacte ngayo ngesikhathi iza kuwena with the small little problems, okay, lengane nengqondo yengane lenza ukuthi hayi mengiya lapha uzongihleka, mengiya lapha yana uzongidisciplina. Okay, uzongithethisa nje beforehand nje mengathi ngiyamtshela iproblem yami or uzobona ngathi ngiwaste isikhathi sakhe. Then what happens is this child of yours is going to experience problems, all right? Of course it will, but this is what experience lama problems without you. Okay? It's going to experience the problems still. Just because we're nawatagathule doesn't mean they're not going to experience them. They will experience them, but they will experience them without you. They'll experience them without your guidance, and they will experience them without uthando lwakho ngoba of course wonke umzali uyayithanda ingane yakhe. But does lolo thando wena uthanda ngayo ingane yakho, does it translate ngampela kwi-behavior that ingane yakho knows ukuthi mina ngiyazazi ukuthi ngiyathandwa ekhaya noma ngenza imistake, I'm not judged as the mistake, but I'm corrected and I'm guided ngemistake engiyenzile, but that mistake does not become me. Okay, does that child even understand liyonto ngawe? Okay, and I know sanozama ukuthi many of us njengoba dengisho nje earlier on ukuthi sifuna ingane zethu zibe ne full potential, and sometimes we mother and father them ngendlela yokuthi ngoba ngizama ukukhulisa ngalendlela mina ngazange ngize ngikhule ngayo. But the minute you are saying ukuthi ufuna ukwenza into ngendlela wena engazange iziyenzeke kuwena, it means lento eyenzeka kuwena is still controlling you, because whatever decision you're making is based on what happened to you. Okay? Now, whenever we talk about potential enganeni zethu, iningi lethu sikhuluma ngokuthi une potential lo mntwana hey uyaphasa, uphasa kanje esikoleni, or it's about the potential, which university you're going to go to, or potential, are you going to be a doctor or a lawyer, or uzoba yini. So that's the potential esikhuluma ngayo. But that potential is important, of course. You know, it's part of the foundations of who the child becomes. It's about when, as a parent, knowing ukuthi noma ngingasekho lo mntwana uzokwazi ukuthi aphile without me. And I think those are one of the fears that all parents have, ukuthi if ngingekho uzoba yini lo mntwana. And mhlambe that is why we end up putting pressures athize. But the kids don't understand that. Ukuthi the pressure we're putting on them is based out of love. And when we talk about the potential yengane, it's important to also talk about the confidence yayo. You know, do you know what the confidence yengane can take them to places? Confidence nje ukuthi lengane izokwazi ukuthi ime isho how they feel. That confidence and not being afraid, that is potential. How confident is my child? You know, what is the emotional intelligence ukuthi lengane iyakwazi ukuthi isho ukuthi ifila kanjani? Okay? Without fear, without favor, without feeling judged, but yes izoyisho ngenhlonipho, but iyakwazi ukuthi to stand up for themselves. What is the potential ukuthi lengane mhlazane yaphoxeka izokwazi to be restored from ukuphoxeka, and it doesn't take lokho kuphoxeka kube identity yayo. What is the potential ukuthi lengane hey man is stable kwi identity yazazi ukuthi ubani, because le ekhaya siyifundisile imithetho yale ekhaya, and I know ukuthi because lengane yazazi ubani, it will not be easily be shaken by other friends and other influences ngaphandle abazothi bhema ayasibheme mina ngikuthanda yazazi no ngiyathandwa ekhaya kunomthetho ekhaya. Those are all the potentials that are very important enganeni yakho as ikhula, more than ama marks ayo. Okay, what about the potential to be resilient entweni? Not strong, hey, because ingane doesn't have the ability to be strong. But you are able to teach ingane yakho to have the potential ukuthi izinto ayazi ukuthi I have to work for something. Not ukuthi yonke into engiyifunayo ngiyayithola, but I have to work for something, and after working hard I achieve. Nokuthi things won't always happen my way, but I can take disappointments, but also I can work hard for something that I want. Okay, that is the resilience ukuthi ingane yazi ukuthi oh ngishayekile lana, but I have to stand up, I have to pick myself. What do I need to do ukuthi ngikwazi to pick myself up? Ngoba ingane shouldn't know ukuthi I have to yonke into engiyifunayo ngizoyithola, yonke into engiyifunayo, ngoba that's a lie. You know, if ingane yakho wena uyifundisa ukuthi if ithi namhlanje kupheka uphuthu nekabishi, aya ngilifuni mina uphuthu nekabishi, ngifuna McDonald's, ihambe uyithengele McDonald's. Okay, what are you teaching your child? Okay, or uthi milahle ifoni, ithi ngilifoni yami ngilahlekile la ngizokuthengela enye baby. You know, all of that you teaching ingane yakho ukuthi noma yini eyifunayo yona izoyithola, and that is a lie. That is a lie. Ngoba izofuna izinto in life ingazitholi, then that child is going to be stressed, that child is going to have anxiety, that child is going to be depressed, because uyifundise ukuthi mayifuna into izoyithola, kanti ideally it has to work hard for it to get something. Okay, now and it's important kuwena as a parent, this is very important mzali, ukuthi you have to ukuhlukanisa i-distinction yengane ne-emotional wellness. Ngoba too many times we put a lot of pressure ey'nganeni zethu ukuthi une-potential ngoba ethola ama-distinctions ephasa ethola OA. But what about emotionally? Do you know ukuthi kuney'ngane who are getting those distinctions and are getting A's, but emotionally abekho right, bazikhiyele ezindlini, they are depressed, they're finding hackers on their phones whom they talk to and they think those people love them, kanti those people want to abuse them. Okay, told to wenza kahle esikoleni, but emotionally they are not well. So kubalekile ukuthi wena as umzali, you have to know the difference enganeni yakho between a child who is really thriving, ukuthi le ngane is thriving in whatever life, uyaphila, all right, and they're making it. You know the difference between leyo ngane nengane who is performing, okay, kuwena uyakuperformela so that kube khona i-approval from your side. Ngoba some kids do that. Uze kuperforma nje nasesikoleni uyaperforma so that uzothi wena, wow, I'm so proud of you, you got an A. Okay? And also nakhona if umntwana sephase kahle ethole lo A, do we really praise ukuthi uthole distinctions, ukuthi uthole A? Or are we praising the effort that they put in? And that's very important, sithando zami. Ayithi ingane yakho masisifikile kuwena nama results, how umphendula kanjani? You know, ngazikajabula uthole A. Yes, umtholile A. It's good. But you need to praise more the effort more than the result. You know, if kuguthi ngikubonile bungalala ebusuku, you are working very hard, you've been consistent. Na last term you got this mark or you got better mark manje, without you praising ukuthi uthole A or whatever. You know, ngoba manje it means am I not lovable enough? Am I not appreciated enough if I don't get an A? Okay, so being able to appreciate enganeni yakho the effort that the child did rather than the result is more worthwhile. Ngoba sokuzothi when edrophile ama marks akhe, you're not feeling like they're a failure ngokuthi manje usethole uD kade ethole uB. It's a matter of, hey, I noticed ukuthi ama marks akho adrophile this time. Something happened, yini eshintshile, khona into eshintshile. Ngoba you want the child to talk about their performance more than the result le ayitholile. Okay? So all of those things, sithando zami, then they come back to wena as a parent ukuthi how are you there to guide umntwana wakho? How are you there to guide your kid? Okay? Okay, let me just listen to that. Clitus. Clitoris. Okay, clitus. Yeah, I am supposed to listen to them before coming to the response. Yes, absolutely. Okay. Uyong Noti utin Medilution. I really appreciate him for this zakho mina a lot. Auntie, yes, auntie. Good. Cleo, I listen to them and I try to understand what she's saying. Then I ask questions to have clarity. But if she calls me during work hours, I listen and tell her we'll chat when I get home. Okay, that's good, Cleo. That's good. Uzama Zondo ut hi doc mina. I listen to him and I guide him. If he was wrong, he should apologize and I do not compare him to others, and I tell him that mommy loves you, baby. Yes, that is wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. And as in Zama, sometimes you need to apologize too as umzali. You know, sometimes now it shows umntana wakho how to be the bigger person when you realize ukuthi yazini earlier on umamanye umababa akazange akuphendule kahle earlier on. You know, maybe you can say whatever excuse, I had something on my mind, I was stressed, but it wasn't right indlela engikuphendule ngayo. So I'm sorry ukuthi ngikuphendule ngalendlela engikuphendule ngayo. So uyabona leyo nto, it goes a long way to be able to apologize kumntwana wakho, okay? And I think one of the other lessons is we have to try not to live our dreams through our children. Okay, we have to learn to not have our kids finish off our dreams. Okay, if wena wawufuna ukuba udokotela or iphoyisa or whatever you wanted to be and you couldn't be, don't try and live that through ingane yakho. Okay, and I know ukuthi some parents bathi mina ngastrugglisha kabi nje, so ingane yami has to succeed. Must uyampusha to what you think is success. Okay, so be careful of that. Or mhlambe uthi kuyena mina ngasacrifice kabi nje kuwena ungalingi uzongidisappoint. Ngasacrifice kabi nje for you ungalingi uzongiphoqa. I mean, we say those things, and I mean, unaware ukuthi how much pressure it's actually putting on the child. But I mean, it's important, yes, to want something better for ingane yakho, but don't make the child feel like, you know, they have to perform or to make your dreams come true, you know, for you to love them or for you to feel ukuthi they are important kuwena empilweni. Okay, ngoba some other kids, yes, are academic, kodwa ezinye ngane, they are creative. Okay, some of them are just leaders and born leaders. Find out. Ngoba khona into that when you didn't even have a seed of in your DNA and in your life, ngeke uzuyibone kule ngane kanti it's something great. It's bigger than you. So if you are busy looking at you and your life, ukuthi wena waphila kanje mhlambe le ngane is much better than you. It's got a greater seed than you. So mhlambe umphula down wena ngokumkhombisa ukuthi akahambe eyoba ilento wena ocabanga ukuthi right. Kanti mhlambe really this child is actually something much bigger. Okay, so when it comes to ukuthi ingane yakho ikwazi ukuthi ikhulume nawe, generally, you know, I see ukuthi there's generally some, you know, even though my parents might say ukuthi ingane ayikhulumi, but generally ingane kusuke kukhona little other subtle ways leke yakhuluma khona ngawe. Mhlambe ithi meyikhuluma ngabangane kuwena or ikutesta njalo ikutesta trust, okay? Uzokutshela ngento eyenzeke esikoleni, ikutshele ngothisha. Okay, ukuthi uthisha did something thizeni, or ikutshele ngento eyibone ku-online. Before you even judge ukuthi bowenzani wena lapho ku-YouTube, lalela ukuthi what it is. Then after that, of course, after you've listened and you allowed them to finish, you first thank them. Thank you for telling me. Okay, because I want to appreciate ukuthi uyakwazi ukuthi akhulume nawe. Then ngeke ungangena ke wena with the guidance le uzomguide ngayo ukuthi hey basoba ku YouTube lapha yana kunezinto ezithize kanje yebo suyamguide, right? But never ever if ingane yakho it discloses something, yakutshela into mhlambe ngomngane wayo ukuthi uyazi khona umngane wami othe into ngami mhlambe into embi, don't use that manje ukuthi umthuke ngayo ngelinye ilanga. So uthi ke umthetho akikho nje nabangani bakho bathi ngawe, ngoba hey, you're telling that child to shut up, you're telling that child to never ever talk to you. Okay, now when you need to talk, okay, be careful uyiqala kancane lento of trying to talk to abantwana bakho sithando zami. Okay, mhlambe when you are driving or menhlezi njena ekhaya fanele nizame futhi ukuthi no phones aside, you know, kibe nento nje yokuxoxa ngoba yazi kodwa futhi le ngane they love phones. The minute uthi kena phone aside expect ukuthi uzombhora, so what do you want? So expect ukuthi uzombhora. So find an environment where you're taking a walk, let's take a walk sinawe or whatever, so that it's something either than ukuthi uzomdisciplina ngoba if uthi now let's talk uzobona ngathi there's going to be discipline in that. Okay, And then you can start with little things, you know. Ungambuzi futhi imibuzo that are yes and no, you know. Awungathi nje, do you have a good day? Uzothi yes. You know, ask them mhlambe something like, what happened today that was most exciting kuwena? Already you're making them think. Or what about this week? Yini enzekile this week that really excited you? You know, ngoba so menza manje ukuthi kwayena angene kuye, so wenza ukuthi kwayena angene even nakuma feelings akhe nama experiences that adlule kuyona. And then uthi no, so what was difficult? Yini be oyizwe difficult kulesonto namhlanje? Did you find anything difficult? What was it that you found a little bit difficult today esikoleni or in your life? Okay? But so uyaxoxa naye ke manje na, and who do you enjoy spending time with? Enjoy abani esikoleni? Who's your friends? Why do you like? Yabona already kancane so wazi nangaye nangama friends akhe and okay. But there's always one question I know khona le engayisho eradweni that eyangivusa mina about my son uNkolo, ngoba ngambuza ukuthi ngathi kuyena, and I want you to do the same, and I know you've probably done it before, ukuthi umbuzo ukuthi what is it yini ocabanga ukuthi mina ngiyacabanga ngawe kanti ngirong. Okay, ask them. Okay, ask them that. But also there's another question. We generalize ukuthi yini ocabanga ukuthi ama adults abayi understanding ngezingane zamanje in your age group. Yini ama adults awushongo ukuthi wena, awushongo ukuthi yena, but uthenje in general, what is it that you think us adults don't understand about youth namhlanje or the young kids of today? Okay? So that alone uzokutshela izinto personal. Okunye yes uzothi my friends generally say, but iqiniso leli uzobe khuluma nangaye ngoba they get influenced so easy by their friends. Okay, so make sure ukuthi when you have that conversation, meet them in a place where they are comfortable also. Okay, ungaqali ngezinto psychological ukuthi hey, what are your attachment styles? Okay, mqale easy nje, but the little things empilweni, even about the home, you know, ukuthi, you know, what is it that you like most about our home and our family, and about just the little things, that little bit. About angithi now awukwenzi nje as a one TED talk lesson, but kancane each time, and you're allowing le ngane ukuthi kancane iloku iveleleka kuwena. Okay.